Understanding the system is broken. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and often heard English phrase, the system is broken. This phrase is not just about something that's not working. It's loaded with deeper meanings and contexts. We're going to explore what it means, when to use it, and how to understand it in various contexts. So, let's get started. When we say, the system is broken, we're referring to a situation where an established set of rules, methods, or procedures, the system, is failing to work correctly or efficiently. This doesn't necessarily mean that the physical components of a system, like a computer system, are damaged. Instead, it often implies that the structure or organization of something, such as a government, an institution, or societal norms, is flawed or malfunctioning, leading to negative outcomes or injustices. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. In education, if students are not receiving the quality education they deserve due to outdated teaching methods or insufficient resources, one might say, the educational system is broken. In healthcare, when people cannot access necessary medical care because of high costs or bureaucratic hurdles, it's a sign that the healthcare system is broken. In justice, if laws or law enforcement practices unfairly target certain groups or fail to protect the vulnerable, we might hear that the justice system is broken. These examples show that the phrase can apply to various contexts, always pointing to systemic failures rather than individual or isolated issues. Understanding the context in which the system is broken is used is crucial. The phrase can express frustration, disappointment, or a call for change, depending on the speaker's perspective and the situation being discussed. It's not just a critique of the current state of affairs but often carries an implicit demand for reform or improvement. When using this phrase, 1. Be clear about which system you're referring to. It's a broad term that can apply to anything from computer networks to government policies. 2. Consider the context and the audience. This phrase can evoke strong emotions or political opinions. 3. Use it to spark discussion or highlight issues that require attention, rather than as a way to dismiss the possibility of positive change. Understanding the phrase, the system is broken, opens up a deeper conversation about societal issues and the need for systemic change. It's a powerful expression that calls for awareness, critical thinking, and, ultimately, action towards improvement. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase and its significance. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you.